Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is a monthly read for Aquarius Sun, Moon and Rising people for the month of July. This is a general read, so do check out your moon sign and ascendant or rising sign reading as well. Let's start and see what are the messages for Aquarius people for the upcoming month. Knight of Cups, Eight of Pentacle, Nine of Cups, Five of Swords, Sun, Three of Cups, Ace of Wands, Six of Pentacles, Page of Swords, Fool, and bottom of the deck, Seven of Cups. Okay. So after Seven of Cups I have Death, Two of Pentacle and Two of Cups, Eight of Wands. Okay, situation is rather getting into some kind of resolution, which I can see over here. Let's start and let's see what are the pieces over here to discuss. I feel there is someone who is coming towards the Aquarius, and the person is going to present a cup of love, an offer, an opportunity. Since this is a cup suit, so it's most probably a romantic offer. But on the other hand, there is a situation. Okay, now one thing is that this person is coming from your workplace. A person might be working along with you, or it is possible that you yourself is busy into something, in some sort of job, work, daily routine or anything. This can be true vice versa, that if someone is watching this video as a cross watcher, so this is also can be true that Aquarius is going to give this sort of offer to someone else, and the other person is busy into their work. I feel this situation is turning into from a selfish behavior to a get together. Especially it's the person who is giving offer. That person might be a bit kind of what bad word should I use, but the person would be kind of selfish and self-obsessed to some extent. Now that person is opening up about their emotions and feelings, and they really want to have at least a kind of friendship, at least. Because now the situation has become like this, because most probably the other person, either this is Aquarius or you, has not given them too much attention in past months. That is why this situation has pushed the selfish person to turn into some kind of friendship, this relationship into some kind of friendship, and they are trying to get together with you as well. On the bottom of the reading there is a wish. I feel that the person was selfish and self-obsessed, and maybe tried to take benefit from you, but in fact in the what's in the subconscious of them is they really want to have time with you, they really want to have a relationship with you, they really want to establish a strong connection with you, because they feel that you are the sun, you are the source of happiness for them. Same, you can read the same thing in vice versa as well, that Aquarius may have tried to take advantage from someone, but now they understand or they understood this reality that that particular person which is not talking to you right now is a source of happiness for you guys, and you really want to present this opportunity to the other person. You really want to start a loving romantic relationship. This is more to a physical relationship. It's not that you are inclined to have some sort of romance only. You really want to have a connection, a strong connection, a physical connection as well. On the other hand, you have kind of a fear. You might not be sure how that person will be react, and that is why you might be just evaluating your all the possibilities, or you are just trying to evaluating the other person's mood from their social media, or maybe you are just hoping that you got some sort of news from the other person. I really feel if you got some kind of communication in the month of July, that would be a little one. Maybe once or twice a month, just saying hello, hi to each other, because the other person's situation is not open to you yet. You are not sure about their situation, you are not sure about their mood. Since you have this sort of guilty, and that is why you are just very careful. You don't want to spoil everything. You really have a wish to start on a large scale, or just start from the scratch, but there is a confusion, there is some sort of fogginess around the situation, around that person, which is not letting you take that leap of faith. Okay, so this is the situation for Aquarius people. I really feel that the other person to whom you are dealing with can be going through with some sort of transition. They might be dealing with two people at the same time, and this is the reason they are not able to offer, or they are not able to accept any offer. But I really feel that after mid-July or early August, there is a possibility of having some communication, very rapid and fast communication. This can be a travel card as well. So this is it. This is for Aquarius, Sun, Moon and Rising. I hope you would like this reading. Next card I have over here is Ace of Swords. I feel that due to the lack of communication, you guys are not talking to each other. Okay, and this lack of communication has created this thing, this fogginess, but I feel that in the month of July or till the end of July, it is possibility that this fogginess will be lifted, most probably as soon as Mercury will go away from the Sun, as it's combust right now. So it will take couple of days, rather 10 days, then hopefully you will get to know the exact situation around that person, and that will make you that will make it possible to take some sort of action, some sort of decision or similar. Okay ji, so this was the reading for Aquarius. Give me a feedback on this. I will see you next time.